Hello, I saw your question where you want to convert to this radians to degrees, minutes, and seconds. You said the calculator's your main problem here. So you got pi 11ths radians. So you want to take pi 11ths radians and multiply it by 180 degrees over pi radians. You know, the pi drops off and the radian drops off, so it's just going to leave you 180 over 11, and this will be in degrees, only thing left. Well, I put that in my calculator, just divided 180 divided by 11. I got 16.36 repeating. And then you want to break off the decimal part here, and so that's 16 degrees and 0.36 repeating degrees. And then you want to multiply that repeating part by 60 minutes per degree, and the degree drops off, so you multiply 0.36 repeating by 60, and I get 21.818 minutes. So then again, I want to break off the decimal part and multiply it again by 60, because there's 60 seconds in a minute. Minutes drop off, so you multiply the decimal part by 60, and I get just slightly over 49 seconds. And so I get 16 degrees, 21 minutes, and 49 seconds. And again, you divide 180 by 11. That gave me this. I used a calculator, and you want to take the decimal part and multiply by 60, and take that new decimal part and multiply by 60 again. Hope this helps.